In this video, I'm going to be reviewing the Bell Super DH downhill rated full face helmet. So here you can see my old helmet, and here you can see my new helmet. So as you might have been able to tell, my older Bell helmet might not have been so safe down some of these trails as they're pretty technical. So now I'm going to give you an in-depth review of what I think of the Bell Super DH, some of the features I like about it, and why I chose the Bell Super DH instead of some of the other downhill helmets. One of the main reasons why I bought the Bell Super DH is because it doesn't need to be a full face helmet. You can just have it as a half helmet, and then you can have a full face helmet if you're doing more technical downhill stuff. Now I'll show you how to join the two sections of the full face helmet, so then you'll have a safe downhill rated helmet. As you probably know now how to join it, here are some of the fixing points, then it's even easier to tell how to join it. I think this feature is one of the best features, and this is the main reason why I bought this helmet. As you might not always want to buy two helmets, one half helmet and the other one a full face helmet. I think this is the best solution. Another feature which is really good about the Bell Super DH is that it has MIPS. MIPS is meant to take out most of the rotational force when you crash, so then you don't get so much head damage or brain damage. Another amazing feature of the Bell Super DH is the adjustability to fit heads. So at the back there's a swivel knob which has a big adjustability so that it'll fit any head size as long as the head size will fit in the helmet. I think this is really useful, so let's say if you're a child like me, you have a lot of growing room, so you don't have to buy them very often, if not never. The final reason why the Bell Super DH is amazing is because of all the padding in the helmet. So it comes with extra pads if they get sweaty, or you want a slightly slimmer fit or a slightly wider fit. I think this is really useful, so then after time you can change the pads and give them a clean, so you can still use them while they're cleaning, and that makes sure that the helmet doesn't smell a lot and is really nice to wear. Another few features of the Bell Super DH are the magnetic fixing section under your neck, and the visor moves up and down for goggles. Overall, I think the Bell Super DH is an amazing downhill full face helmet. Comment down below of what you think of the Bell Super DH. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you found it useful if you're going to buy one. I would recommend looking around because there's lots of different prices for different colours and on different websites. I managed to get mine for £200, but some are at £300, so I recommend looking carefully and picking the right one. Thank you for watching this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.